In this video, I'll guide you through how to find a property legal description in PropWire. Hey, welcome back guys. So today we are talking about your PropWire account, and more specifically, I'm going to show you how to find the legal description for a property using PropWire. This is a quick process with only a few steps involved. Finding the legal description can be important in certain real estate situations, especially if you are involved in wholesale real estate. When preparing an offer or reviewing property documents, having the correct legal description is often a necessary part of the process. The information is available directly inside your PropWire dashboard. I already have my PropWire account open, and this is the main home screen. To find the legal description for a property, start by using the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the property address you want to look up. Once the address appears in the search results, click on the property to open the property details. After opening the property, you will see several different sections available at the top of the page. Make sure you are viewing the property section, as this is where the detailed property information is located. Once you are inside the property section, scroll down through the available information until you find the section labeled Public Facts and Zoning. Inside this section, you will find different details related to the property. Scroll toward the bottom of this section, and you will see the legal description field. The legal description shown here is the official description connected to that specific property record. This information can be used when reviewing property details or preparing documents that require the legal description. So, there you have it. If you are wondering how to find a property legal description using your PropWire account, this is the easiest way to locate it. Simply search for the property, open the property section, and look under Public Facts and Zoning. Hopefully, you found this guide useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.